Hi there, it's Gabriel here, SEO Manager at Hike SEO, and in this video we'll be talking about Shopify redirects and how to set up redirects in your Shopify store. So in this video you'll learn about what are Shopify redirects and also why are they important for your SEO. You'll learn about different types of redirects as well as a step-by-step guide on how to actually implement and manage your redirects within Shopify. So what are redirects? Redirects are instructions that forward web traffic from one URL to another URL. And they're often used after changing a website's URL structure or moving content from one page to another page. Why are they actually important for your SEO? And why do you need to implement them? Basically, they ensure that users and search engines find the correct page rather than falling to a 404 error page, which basically is not a very good user experience. And they also pass on link equity, and that specifically applies to 301 permanent redirects. So it helps them to maintain the SEO ranking and keeps the organic traffic steady. Also, it helps to avoid any duplicate content. So if you've created multiple pages, new ones, and forgot about the old ones, that can cause potential SEO issues and conflicts. So we want to make sure that the old pages are always redirected to the new ones. So a few different types of redirects, just so you understand the differences in which one to use. The 301 redirect is also known as a permanent redirect, and it indicates the original URL has been permanently moved to a new location, a new URL. And the important thing here and why it's very crucial for SEO is because it passes on 90 to 99% of the existing page's authority and ranking power to the new URL. So instead of losing that by deleting that page and not redirecting, we now transfer it to the new page, and that gives it that extra boost, that equal boost for it to rank in the same or similar positions. So browsers will also cache this response indefinitely because it's permanent. Then we have 302 redirects. You also see 307s. They're very similar to that, but most cases you just use 302s. And these are known as temporary redirects, and it indicates that the original URL has been temporarily moved to a new location. So it does not pass on any authority and ranking power to the new URL. And that's why we don't use 302s for SEO purposes. You can use them for, let's say you have a page, an offer page, and it's only online temporarily. Then you can redirect it to another page, and then maybe the offer page comes on, so you remove the redirect and so forth. So it's good for other purposes like that, but not for SEO. And browsers will not cache these pages because they're temporary and they might return soon. So let's talk about redirects in Shopify and the steps to do that. So the first step is to access the navigation menu. So log into your Shopify admin panel and then click on Settings and then Apps and Sales Channels. Now from the Apps and Sales Channels page, select Online Store. Then click on Open Sales Channel. Within the Online Store section, navigate to Navigation. Next, you want to manage the URL redirects. So you would click on View URL Redirects located in the upper right-hand corner. And then this will display a list of existing redirects within your store, if there is any already. Next is you want to create a new redirect. So you would click on Create URL Redirect to initiate the redirection process. Step 4 is to specify the redirection details. So in the Redirect From field, enter the old URL or the one you want to redirect visitors from, and this should be an existing URL within your store. Then in the Redirect To field, you would enter the new URL or the destination that you want visitors to be directed to. And this can be another page within your store or an external link. Step 5, additional options and saving. So you can choose to overwrite any existing redirects for the redirect from URL by checking the box next to Override Existing Redirect. Once you've filled in the details, click on Save Redirect to create the new redirection. So here are a few additional tips when it comes to Shopify redirects. Shopify offers helpful resources for creating redirects, including a guide on their Help Center. So if you want a bit more in-depth guide on how to do that in addition to this video, then check out their Help section, their Help Center, and check out their redirections guide there. Now, there are limitations on specific paths within Shopify that can't be redirected. That's because it's a managed platform and there's certain URLs that you cannot redirect from. So make sure that you review Shopify's documentations for details of which pages you can't redirect from. But in most cases, if you've created a page or a product or whatnot, generally speaking, you can redirect those to a new page. So how do you identify broken links? You can use a free Google Search Console, and on the left-hand menu, click on Pages, and then if there are any 404 errors, it will list how many pages have those in the Not Found 404 section. If you click on those, it will list all the pages that have 404s. So then you can go back into Shopify and add redirects for those pages. You can also do a similar thing with Hike SEO. So in the Actions engine, it will automatically highlight any 404s that it finds on your website. And then it will recommend to add a redirect. So then you can go in there, grab the URL, and go into Shopify and add a redirect from that 404 page. So thank you so much for watching this video about Shopify redirects. If you have any sort of questions at all, please let us know. Otherwise, please check out Hike SEO. It's a fantastic SEO platform designed from scratch for beginners, for small business owners, as well as agencies who serve small businesses and beginners. And it has a wealth of different tools available to make the SEO journey as simple and easy as possible and start getting more SEO, organic traffic to your site. Have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video.